Hello traders, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we're going to talk about daily stock market update, and we will figure out, is it bull trend or bearish reversal signal? What's going on with the stock market on daily time frame? Now, as usual, let's move to 5 rules of risk management. Please read it and follow it every single trade and you will be successful. Now let's move to VBull. VBull, let's start index chart. Dow Jones, it did gap down overnight and it was just downtrend all day. All day it closed minus 1%, right? S&P is similar, it did gap down 0.5% and all day it was just downtrend and closed 1.38%, almost 1.5%. Nasdaq, similar, it did gap down 1%, it was negative even 2.5%, kind of a little bit bounce, 0.5% bounce during the day, and it closed below like 2.25%, yeah, 2%, 2.25%. That's what we observed today. Let's move now to charts. Let's move to charts. If you want to learn more about trading to VBull setup, just go to the description. There is the link about VBull setup training and other links about all my trainings. Let me briefly mention about my setup. I'm using moving averages, simple moving averages, right? This is moving averages. Let's start. White line, it's a MA200. Yellow line, it's MA20. Red line, it's MA10. Green line, MA5. MACD indicator, green and red lines. RSI indicators lines, and awesome oscillator bars. That's all. Very, very simple, right? And remember my style when all indicators align in the same trend direction. Like here you see MA5 green line did bullish crossover over 10. All indicators did bullish crossover to green color and bullish trend, right? And let me briefly mention how it works. Look at it. MA5 green line did bearish crossover over 10 over here, right? This bar, it was my entry for short position. And I did put stop, blue line, it's 1 bar above. For short position, in case to protect my trade. If market could decide to go bullish and my protection could stop. But it didn't because I had ability to gain multiple bars. What happened here now? Again, same story, MA5 did bullish crossover. And when bars below MA5, look at it, when bars below MA5, below green line, it's a bearish trend. When bars above green line, it is bullish trend. Very, very simple. What we observe, it's a USA dollar, DXY, daily time frame. Wow. Dollar just touched MA200. We'll see. Previously, every time it touched MA200, it did bounce. It was rejected. It was rejected from MA200 recently. We'll see in this time, will it break out and will continue bullish crossover? Absolutely possible. We'll see. So far, it just touched MA200. So far, still bullish trend for USA dollar. It's negative for equities. Now let's move to Qs. Qs daily time frame. Daily time frame, it did gap down, right? Like $1.5 gap down. Last bar closed below 20. Look at it, below yellow line. MA5 still above 10, still in the positive territory. Just bar closed below 20. Last time bar closed below 20, it was in April. You see, last time it was the same scenario in April. It's not still confirmed bearish reversal because MA5 and 10 still above 20. All other indicators already bearish with bearish divergences on all indicators. Bearish reversal signal. 4 hours time frame. MA5 did bearish crossover over 10 and 2 bars below 20. Still, MA5 and 10 still about 20 in the bullish territory. All indicators already in bearish crossover, bearish reversal signal. 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame is completely confirmed bearish reversal. You see it did gap down, MA5 and 10 below 20, last bar disconnected from MA10 and 20. It can bounce and close the gap and will continue to go bearish. We'll see absolutely everything possible. Today it was in overbought territory and it did bounce. Bearish signal, and you see for last 5 hours it was sold off and it did touch 200, and for 5 hours it was sitting at the MA 200. It means MA 200 very strong support. It can bounce from it. We'll see, or it can continue. Just wait for MA 10 to connect to MA 10, maybe 20, and we'll go bearish. VXN volatility index for Qs. Today it's plus 12.5%. Usually, when volatility index plus 10% and more, for next 48 hours, we could expect Qs have positive day, 85% chance. And looks like investors, they started to buy some protection. They started to buy some protection, and volatility index already bullish. It's a negative for Qs. S&P 500 minus 1.4%, also bearish. Let's start daily time frame for SPX. The last bar just touched the main 20. It didn't close below 20. Still about 20. MA5 and 10 about 20. It did gap down. Yeah, $3 gap down, but still $3.5 gap down. Large gap. Still bullish because it's still moving averages still about 20. Bearish reversal signal on all indicators, but not confirmed yet bearish reversal. Just started signal, right? Not confirmed yet. Let's see 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame, MA5, let me maximize it a little bit. MA5, green line. You see green line did bearish crossover over 10 and 20. It is confirmed bearish reversal. 4 hours time frame, it's already MA5 below 20. It is bearish. On all indicators bearish, right? On 1 hour time frame, MA5, 10 and bars below 20. Confirmed bearish reversal signal. Last bar disconnected from MA 10 and 20. You see it touched today 4,500, 4,505. And recently it was 4607, right? 100 points just for last, how many, 3 days? Minus 100 points for last 3 days. Nice bearish run, right? Okay, let's move to VIX. VIX also plus 15.5%. We should expect for next 48 hours bullish bounce on S&P SPX, because VIX did positive over 10% today. It's 85% chance. And also it left gap up. Same like on the VXN, gap up, it left gap up, bullish. Let's move to Dow Jones. Dow Jones minus 1% today. Let's see daily. Let's start daily. Daily minus 1%, MA5 ready for bearish crossover, all indicators ready for bearish reversal signal. Still not confirmed because still last bar still very far disconnected from 20. It has at least 3-4 gaps, right? It has 4 gaps that it needs to be closed. And it didn't make any gaps today. Very nice. No gap down. Bearish reversal signal on all indicators on daily. Still in the positive territory. 4 hours time frame. Last bar moved below 20. Bearish reversal signal on all indicators. MA5 and 10 still about 20. It has some small gap. It is some small gap down, like 50 cents, half dollar gap down. MA5 and 10 did bearish crossover, last bar below MA5, 10 and 20. It's a bearish trend, confirmed bearish trend direction on all indicators for Dow Jones. VXD also today was 12, almost 13%. It is bullish, it means it's some next 48 hours, some chance, 85% chance that Dow Jones can bounce. Okay, bullish reversal signal on the VXD and volatility index. Buyers, investors, they are buying protection for Dow Jones. Now let's move to IWM. Russell 2000 IWM today also minus 1.25% negative. It's a bearish reversal signal, right? Last bar moved below MA5, 10, still above 20, still in the bullish territory. Nothing happened dramatically. All indicators already in the bearish reversal signal, bearish divergences, bearish crossover, but bars still above MA20. Kind of price action is flat for last 10 days, right? Let's see 4 hours. 4 hours, it's more negative. Last 2 bars moved below MA20. It left 2 gaps already. MA5 and 10 still above 20, but bars already below 20. Bearish reversal signal on all indicators and bearish divergences. 1 hour time frame. It's already confirmed bearish reversal signal. MA5, 10 below 20 and bars also below 20. 2 gaps above it left 2 gap down. And it closed this gap already. It closes kind of island reversal, right? Gap up and gap down. Island reversal. Bearish island reversal. Okay, bearish trend on 1 hour time frame. Let's move to Apple. Apple was negative today. Let's start daily time frame, like 1.5%, and after hours minus quarter. Red bar, it did gap down also. It did gap down and it touched MA20. It didn't close below 20. Last time it did close below 20, it was May, April, yeah, here, like April, right? March. In March. Now it just touched 20. It didn't close below 20, it just touched 20. It touched 20 many times. Each time it touched 20, it did bounce. It did bounce. We'll see, will it bounce here at this point also? Absolutely possible. Everything possible in the market. Bearish reversal signal on all indicators. Nothing critical happened. Let's check 4 hours time frame. MA5 did bearish crossover. Let me maximize it. MA5 did bearish crossover over 10. And last 2 bars closed below 20. Bearish reversal signal on all indicators. Bearish divergences on all indicators, right? And let's see 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, it is bearish. Did gap down, 40 cents gap down, and bearish trend. MA5 and 10 below 20, bearish trend on all indicators. Let's move to Tesla. Let's start Tesla. Tesla 1 hour time frame. Similar story. MA5 and 10 below 20, all moving averages below 200. Bearish trend on all indicators. 4 hours time frame for Tesla. Same bearish trend, MA5, 10 and bars below 20. Bearish trend on all indicators. And daily time frame. MA5 and 10 and bars below 20. Bearish trend on all indicators. All indicators bearish. ECD, RSI, also oscillator. Alibaba Group, Baba, right? Baba very negative today. Minus 5%. Let's see. It did touch the MA20, right? It didn't close below 20. It did gap down, large gap down. But bubble likes to create gaps. It's not new for it. Gap down, bearish reversal signal on all indicators, but last bar still above 20, still in a bullish territory. 4 hours time frame. MA5 did bearish crossover, bearish reversal signal. Last 2 bars closed below 20. Bearish reversal signal on all indicators. And it left 2 gaps above. 1 hour time frame. 2 gaps above the current state. MA5 and 10 below 20. 20 did opposite bearish reversal. And last bar below 5, 10 and 20 bearish trend on all indicators. Nvidia after hours even have percent down, right? Let's start 1 hour time frame. Bearish trend, MA5 and 10 below 20, gap down, very bearish. Last 5 hours, 5 bars, they are dancing about around MA200. MA5 and bars just moved below 200. We'll see, will it continue bearish trend below 200 or it will bounce? It's possible that it can bounce because MA200 could be strong resistance, could be strong support in this case. In this case, it's still support. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame, MA5 did bearish crossover and 2 bars moved below 20. Bearish reversal signal. MACD, RSI, awesome oscillator, all indicators bearish on 4 hours time frame. Daily last bar closed below MA20, right? Below yellow line. It did gap down, $2 gap down, and it did close below 20. All indicators already bearish with bearish divergences. Nvidia first time closed MA20 since also like April, right? Let's see. Last time it was here February. It was here April. If we count this one and this one, it was in April. It was in April, right? That's what happened now again. Last bar closed below 20. Since April, first time. Bearish reversal, bearish signal on daily time frame for Nvidia. Let's see 4 hours. 4 hours already told you it's a bearish reversal trend. And 1 hour also. Now let's move to Microsoft. Let's see Microsoft daily time frame. Microsoft, the most negative equity from my watch list. It left 2 gap down, and MA5 and 10 did bearish crossover over 20. Last bar below MA5, 10 and 20. All indicators bearish. You see it's confirmed bearish reversal signal for Microsoft. It is bearish trend. Only Microsoft confirmed bearish reversal signal. Bearish reversal trend. 4 hours time frame, same bearish trend. 2 gaps up, gap down, 2 gaps down it left. Bearish trend on all indicators. 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame. Also bearish MA5, 10 and 20 below 200, gap down. Bearish trend on all indicators on 1 hour time frame. That's all. Let's do summary. All indexes, all equities except Microsoft on daily time frame, they still in the bullish territory. MA5 and 10 still in the bullish territory. Yes, they all have bearish divergences, bearish reversal signal, but still in the bullish territory moving averages. On daily time frame only. On 4 hours time frame, definitely they did bearish reversal signal. MA5 already did bearish crossover over 20. They received confirmed bearish reversal signal on 4 hours time frame and 1 hour time frame. But on daily it is still kind of in positive zone. That's what we observed today. And remember, that's what exactly that's I told you already. Volatility indexes, they just started. We didn't see for a long time huge run on volatility indexes like we saw it today, and 85% chance we can see bounce on indexes for next 48 hours. Maybe tomorrow, Thursday or Friday. Could be some trigger to have some bounce. Maybe even we will bounce to close the gap. That's possible too. It's kind of huge gap, right? It's like 55.75, yeah, like $18 gap down. Kind of huge gap. Let's see on the 1 hour time frame. 550, 574, yeah. $24. $24 gap. And you see recently we saw 46, yeah, 46.07, and now it's today it was 45.05. 100 points just for last 100 points just for last 3 days, right? Not for 4 days. 4 days ago we saw it 4600, and today we saw it 4500 already. And minus 100 points just 4 days. That's all, yeah. Market gave us bearish reversal signal already, confirmed bearish reversal signal on short time frames, 1 hour and 4 hours time frame. On daily, it's still kind of in a positive mode. We received bearish reversal bar, but moving average is still in a positive mode. It means it can be some bounce, it can dance, it can continue. Because like I told you, buyers, let me show you still. Buyers still in the bull mode. If you check the weekly, look at it. Weekly, it's a straight bull trend. That's why buyers, like I told you before, they will buy every dip. Every dip, they will buy it. They bought every dip over here, every red bar. We'll see. We have red bar. It's possible they will buy it tomorrow. They will continue to buy every dip until some trigger, some event will change the market behavior, market trend. So far, it's still positive. Okay, let's move to disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This video for educational informational purposes only. And remember, for educational purpose, we are using paper trading simulator as long as we need to get to consistently profitable state. That's the goal. Thank you for watching Simple Trading Style video. I do publish daily, weekly, monthly updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes, and cryptos. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel, click like button to support this channel. I really appreciate all your efforts. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye now.